Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to install and set up the Google Sheets Assistant app script so you can use AI-powered tools right inside Google Sheets. First, let's start by creating a brand new Google spreadsheet. Next, go to Extensions, then Apps Script. Here, you might see some pre-filled code. Go ahead and delete that so we can add our assistant script. Now, let's copy the assistant script code from the Assistant Sheets v2.js file. Paste it into the editor here and click Save. After saving, reload the Google Sheet. You should now see an AI Tools menu at the top. Click on it and select Set API Key. Since this is your first time using the script, you'll need to authorize access. This script requires permissions, so let's authorize it. Just follow the prompts and click Allow. To use this assistant script, you'll need an OpenAI API key, which requires a minimum balance of around $5. Don't worry, this script is optimized to use minimal API calls. In your OpenAI account, create a new API key. You can name it something like Testing1. Copy that key and go back to Google Sheets, then under AI Tools, select Set API Key, and paste your key. Alright. Now for the exciting part, let's see it in action. I'll enter a few numbers in cells a 1 and a 4. Then I'll go to AI Tools and use the prompt Calculate a 1 till 4. Our assistant will handle the calculation automatically. There you have it. With just a few clicks, we have automated calculations and much more at our fingertips with this assistant. Thank you for watching. If you're interested in supercharging your Google Sheets with this AI assistant, the link to get the script is in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tutorials on Google Sheets automation. Download the script below and start automating your sheets today.